Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Navdeep Kaur Randhawa and I'm a physiotherapist. In this video, I'm going to tell you about some tips and tricks that helps me to get 7 bands, and I hope these strategies will also help you to get your desired band. So let's get started with the video. Tip number 1 is that practice under exam conditions. Every day just practice like it's your exam day, because it will not only boost your confidence but it will also improves your fluency, and you will become fluent when you speak in English every day, because fluency is the key factor on which bands are given. Because during your speaking, if you are quite fluent, then minor mistakes can be ignored. And one most important thing is that don't let the examiner stops you. Just speak and be fluent in your speaking. After fulfilling the demand of the question, then just stop. And the second tip is that use wide range of vocabulary, like we said, lexical resources, and it matters a lot. So try to learn new words every day and then try to incorporate those words into your speaking. And on this, one important thing is that you must need to know the meaning of the word, of that word, because sometimes we use wrong words at a wrong place and it will decrease our bands. So it is very important to use right vocabulary. Apart from this, give relevant answers. Stay to the topic, because this impressed the examiner a lot. Because sometimes examiner got pissed off when we just got round and round and we don't speak on the topic. So this is very important in follow-up questions. Like most of the follow-up questions are like that: what do you think, what's your take on this? So just start your answer like yes, I think, no, I don't think, and then rephrase it with use some synonyms. And in second 2 lines, explain your answer, that why you said yes and why you said no, and then in next 2 lines give example related to it, and it will make your answer very exciting, and this will help you to get higher bands for sure. So, and it is very important to prepare follow-up questions as seriously as you prepare your cue card. So it is very important to give equal importance to follow-up questions, because sometimes we don't prepare follow-ups, are all focus on cue card only, and we don't take follow-up questions very seriously. But follow-up questions play a major role in your band score. So try to practice and keep practicing, and thank you. And I hope these tips and tricks will also help you to get your desired band. So thank you.